I wanna sing of freedom. I wanna sing my song. I wanna sing of freedom. I wanna sing my song, yeah. I want to sing of freedom. I want to stand in what seems like dry, bottomless valleys and belts, and these will not be some borrowed songs. With hips and feet firmly planted, head tilted back, chin towards sky, pain untucked and spine unbuckled, I want to stand in front of these mountains and sing of what joy will do to me before it even comes. I want to hear the weary buzz beneath my bones as my cage is unlocked and the keys give way to tongue, and I, blackbird, am overcome with song as I realize I am not alone. I want to sing of freedom. I want to sing of freedom. I want to dance on life's tightrope telephone wires beside brothers and sisters who are also unafraid, whose wrists hurt from pulling up their dreams, whose fingers ache from picking away at generational chains, whose backs appear to be bent as they lean in, lifting out the heavy melodies from their bellies. Do not underestimate our strength. Our work is not light. The cost of freedom is high. We've paid it with our lives, and yet you find us here. We want to sing of freedom. We sing of freedom. We stand on what seems like dry, hopeless lands, and we belt. And these are not some hand-me-down songs, see, with arms interlocked, hands lifting each other's chins towards skies, with eyes towards prize. We stand beneath rain clouds, poking at them with sticks and daring storms to sing louder than we, the free sea. Round here, we speak of how peace will be before it even comes. And if you listen close enough, you can hear the roaring buzz beneath the bones of those finally stepping out of fear's gates. And the keys, once tucked away, are now in hands, words in mouth, feet stepping out into a kind of free we may never understand. But we can no longer silence the round here. A person's pain is untucked, their trauma unsilenced. Round here, children grow to be old with laughter in their throats. So if you ask me if any of this is possible, if any of this makes sense, if I'm just being naive, I'm gonna stop you. I'm gonna keep humming this song, our song, and ask you, what are you willing to sing?
Wanna sing of freedom.